Welcome back, guys. So in the previous video we left it here. We created a login form, and this is our login form, as you can see. So when you navigate to the root folder of your project, so your login form is loaded. That is the index.php file. Now in this video we will create a registration form. So let's quickly begin. Just create a new file in the root folder and name it, save it as register.php. Now all we need is that we need to copy this. Let me clean up this code in this video, and in the later video we will go and create register.php file. So create a new folder first and name it includes, because it will contain all the files that we are going to include in some page that will contain a piece of code. And inside that, create a new file and save it as header.php. And in the header.php, just copy everything from body and up and just cut it and paste it here. And in the place of title, output a title variable that we will pass from the page where we will include header. And similarly create a new file and name it as footer.php. I think you guessed it already. The footer.php will contain the footer section of our website. So paste it here and we're good to go. Now all we need to do is, whenever we need our header, we can simply include it. We can include that file here. So to include, we need to get inside the includes folder and pull the file php. So by doing this, it will take this header file and it will include this piece of code above index container code. So everything remains the same. All we have done is that we have cleaned the code. So what the benefit of this is, if later in the future, if we need to make changes to our header section, or we need to include files or style sheets, so we can simply go to header.php and include it here, and we do not need to copy paste this code in each of the file that we are going to create afterwards. So that's the benefit of keeping your code segregated in different sections, and this gives you a modular approach towards your application, towards the development. So now we gave a title variable here, so we can pass this variable here above where we include the file. So this is our login page, and save it. So now when we go back to our browser and load it, we won't see any difference because the code remains the same. All we have done is we have cleaned our code a bit and also include the footer section. This is where our JavaScript files are there in the footer section. So simply copy this line of code and change underscore header to underscore footer, and we're good to go. So in the next video we will begin creating our registration page. This was just a cleanup page. So yeah, thanks for watching.